Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. Making this video about US dollar index. So let's get started. This is the chart, the US dollar index weekly chart. I made it on the 5th, March 5th, right? And this was the area that was in question, 1390. And I said if it stays below 1390, we're going to drop to this maybe 0926 or even lower. But we bounced from, if you look at this fib here, then we bounced from 78%, then we went up to 38%. Then that this calculation, if it goes in that direction, it requires to go all the way to 127% somewhere here, right? So I'm not showing that level right now. But if you pull the fib from here to here, we went up to, this is the 61% area, right? And the 23% line is coming somewhere. So bottom line, we're supposed to be coming down here in this area. So what happened to this chart that as of today, I would say that this, right? So it dropped exactly where I said that's going to drop below 1390. And then it came down and then bounced from this 1026. And then it went up to right now is at 1247. Similarly, when it dropped, I made the chart for like this was the drop here, right? And then I said, okay, if it stays below 1390, which it did, and then it dropped all the way here to 1099. And in fact, it went down to 1026, a little bit more. But my take was that once into this area somewhere, it's going to go back to 1247, which is my chart is showing, which I made on March 8th. And currently, what we are doing is this. So we went up A, B, C fashion, and we are right now. I just recorded the chart. It's 12 a.m. On March 15th, right? New day started just now. So we are at 1247. So this is what I'm thinking that, when I make the like, for example, this chart. So after that, I made this chart. I don't know where the heck that chart is. I saved somewhere. So I said, okay, we're going to go up for wave 4. So we did. And the target was 1247. Usually it breaks the channel a little bit, the wave 4, and then comes back inside and then go for wave 5, right? So we were here. And then after that, now this is the current chart I made that, we went up outside the channel. So I created a new channel connecting this, and then parallel line here. Target is wave 5 here. If we can stay below 1247. If it continue to go to the upside, then this chart is null and void, but this is the last area. And if it drops below that, then it is still wave 4, and then we'll go for wave 5, and this will happen. Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and Aussie USD. That will be going to the upside, and these USD franc, USD CAD, and USD yen might be going down. Right, so this is the current chart. This is what I'm expecting if this chart, the price stays below 1247. Okay, so this is how I have it, and this is what I'll be waiting for. I'm watching all these pairs to give me, these pairs to give me long, and these pairs to give me short. I'll be waiting for that. And this week, as it is very, very bad. Everything is ranging, nothing moves. So yeah, last week I had 20 trades. This week, not even half. So that's what happened. That's what happened, right? So this is it for now. And just take care of this market, whatever the way you are trading. And if you like to see my, you want to get my system. Go on my website, and this is creativetrading.system.com, and you can subscribe, get the system, and then start learning and trading the way I do if you want, right? And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. By the way, I just want to show you that the way I make these charts is based on these charts here, right? So this is the diagram that wave 4 usually goes and hit the channel, but then again, it goes outside a little bit of a channel, and in this channel, and then comes back inside. So let's see, right now it is outside, and I already made a new channel, right? And it let's see if the previous channel will be the black one. So if I take this parallel line and place it on the top of this here, right, wave 2, then we will see that what was the old channel actually. So you see, the old channel was here, so we broke outside a little bit, went there, we're 1247, and if we can get inside again, then it will be confirmed that it is going for wave 5. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day or night, whatever you have on your side.